friends, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video, I explained you the lesson, the 100 dresses part 1. So today we will do the oral comprehension check from the lesson, from page number 65. Here the first question is, where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why? Answer: Wanda Pentronsky used to sit in the seat next to the last seat in the corner of room 13, where all the naughty boys sat. Nobody knows why Wanda sat in the dirty corner. It was because she came from the poor locality named Boggin Heights. Question number 2. Where does Wanda live? What kind of a place do you think it is? Answer: Wanda lived in Boggin Heights. It is a poor locality in the outskirts of the town where Polish immigrants was to live. The place, according to me, is dirty and muddy without any proper streets and roads. Question number 3. When and why do Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence? Answer: Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence after 3 days, that is on Wednesday, when Wanda had made them late to school. They had waited for Wanda while going to school to have some fun with her, but she hadn't come. Question number 4. What do you think to have fun with her means? Answer: to have fun with her means to laugh at her. In the story, Wanda is a source of fun for her classmates. Peggy and Maddie made fun of Wanda by asking her about the dresses, as this gave them a lot of pleasure. Now second, from page number 67, question: in what way was Wanda different from the other children? Answer: Wanda was different from the other children in many ways. She was a Polish girl in an American school. Her name was funny and difficult for other children to say. Further, she did not have any friends and used to come to school alone. She also went home alone and did not talk to anybody. Question number 2. Did Wanda have 100 dresses? Why do you think she said she did? She said she did. Answer: Wanda did not have 100 dresses. She was a poor girl who wore the same faded blue dress every day. She said that she had 100 dresses lined up in her closet because she had drawn the design of 100 dresses at home. Question number 3. Why is Maddie embarrassed by the questions Peggy asked Wanda? Is she also like Wanda or is she different? Answer: Maddie was embarrassed by the questions that Peggy asked Wanda because they were about her dresses. Just like Wanda, Maddie was also poor and wears old clothes of Peggy. She was worried that someday they could start teasing her too. Maddie thought that she was different from Wanda because she was richer than Wanda and that she would never claim that she had 100 dresses like Wanda. Now go to the next oral comprehension check, page number 70. Why didn't Maddie ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda? What was she afraid of? Maddie did not ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda because Peggy was her best friend and the most popular girl in school. She was afraid that if she did so, Peggy, alone with her other classmates, would tease her just like they teased Wanda. She was also afraid of losing Peggy friendship. Question number 2. Who did Maddie think would win the drawing contest and why? Maddie always thought that Peggy would win the drawing contest as she was good in drawing and everybody in the school loved her. She could draw any sketch from the drawing book or any magazine. Question number 3. Who won the drawing contest? What had the winner drawn? Answer: among the boys, Jack Bagels, and among the girls, Wanda Pentronsky won the drawing contest. The winner, Jack Bagels, has designed outboard motor, whereas Wanda Pentronsky has drawn the sketches of 100 dresses. So here students, we have completed our oral comprehension check from the lesson. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.